Thanks for choosing Perfect Laser. Right now, we are going to introduce how to use this model PEQD 260.
Okay, right now we will install the battery on the machine. Then press on the button to turn on the machine. After you turn on the machine, all the settings and the parameters have already been set it well, so you do not need to change anything there. Then we can open the software. Then you can see this is the software interface. This is for set. You can input a new text or the graph or some other information or message you want to engrave. Then you can we show you how to make a text there. So you can see this is the content which you can edit there for everything you want to engrave. And this is the size based on the content you want to engrave. Okay, now we will show you how to edit the content. You can double click the content there. Then you can see the X, Y, Z size. If this is for move your content. If you want to move to the left color or right color, so you can change the size, the position here. And then you can find the, if you want to change the height, you can also click. And this is the keyboard. Then you can change the size there. Yeah. This is for height, width. Yeah, this is based on what you want to engrave, what the size you want to engrave. This is for the keyboard, okay? At the back side of the machine, you will find there is a magnet button. So you can press on it. This red button is for work, for engrave, for start work. And then click this is for stop. This button is for power. So if you want deep, you can press once. And if you lose it, it will be light. Okay, this is the USB port. You can see it at the side of the machine. You can insert the mouse or the USB flash driver. How to pour out the battery? You can press it and pull it directly, like this. Yeah, press it first and then pull it out. But when you install the battery, you can put it in directly, no need to press. Press on this button, you can see the power, the battery percentage. Okay, so when you turn off the machine, turn off it, yeah, and then you can connect the power cable directly with this DC interface. So you need to tightly screw the cable here. Remember, tightly connect it. Now we turn off the machine. Press on the power off button. And then take off the battery.